Linda. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. As far as the weather is concerned, another hot day out there today. Most of us in the 80s, if not the low 90s for some. Definitely steamy for this time of year. Most of us running a few degrees above average. The high, at least so far at the Mercer County Airport today, 84. Same in Beckley at the Raleigh County Memorial Airport. Pineville hit 92 though. Just depends on where you are. Those lower elevations obviously a little bit warmer. But generally across our region, you get these yellows and these oranges. That's a good 5 to 10 degrees above normal. That's what this map is showing, that departure from normal. So it's definitely pretty hot out there. And it's one of those times of the year, too, you want to remember, look before you lock. Anything valuable, you don't want to leave it in your car if it can be damaged by the heat. And that means living things as well. If your car is at 90 degrees, for instance, or it's 90 degrees outside, your car on the inside can be at 133 degrees within an hour. So it's very important. Look before you lock anything valuable in the car. As far as the rest of the afternoon goes too, we're going to look pretty steamy, at least until the sun goes down. We're still sitting in the 80s and 90s, even here at this hour. Still plenty of sunshine there on our Burke's Garden camera. Make sure you have that sunscreen on too if you are spending lots of time outdoors. We look just as sunny and just as hot tomorrow. The only difference is we'll probably see a bit more cloud cover than we've seen today. Not much out there at all. We've got high pressure and control, so we're not really expecting much overnight. We should stay mainly clear, but the humidity is going to get cranked up as we head into Thursday. And we're also going to see a frontal system start to near our area. By tomorrow night, this frontal system is going to be on our doorstep. High pressure loses control, so we'll see some showers and thunderstorms to actually develop tomorrow night, probably around sunset, and then after through the overnight hours tomorrow evening. Let's take a close look at futurecast. Again, here we are. Overnight, we're not really seeing much. Mainly clear, lows in the 60s, just as we've been the past few nights now. And then tomorrow is looking hot, humid, highs in the 80s, if not the low 90s. Now by the afternoon, we'll see a little bit more cloud cover, but staying pretty dry. Around sunset and after, we'll see a few hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone necessarily will see them, but we'll still see some scattered showers last into early Friday for a bit until that front gets all the way through. Now we could see an isolated storm or two that produces a lot of heavy rain. Not going to rule out the chance of some localized flooding issues. The National Weather Service does have us in a risk of excessive rainfall tomorrow night, and especially along the north of I-64, especially when that boundary's first coming in. We've got a little bit of daylight to work with. You could see a strong to severe storm, some gusty winds in there. Generally though, the chance of severe weather is low, and we're still going to be hit or miss type activity. The rain chances dip into the weekend, and we actually look pretty nice by Saturday. Seasonable, cooler, not as steamy. We're talking upper 70s, low 80s Saturday, even cooler into early next week now. So we get some relief.
And Catherine, I'm seeing that high tomorrow of 87. I know some are wondering, is there a chance that Bluefield might hit 90?
You know, I have my doubts. I think we're going to come just under, but we could get close.
Okay.
We'll see. It's not completely out of the question.
Okay, well, you'll keep track of that, and Catherine will update you there. Well, straight ahead, a selfless act